She worked 12 hours a day and had nothing saved. Server at a chain restaurant, minimum wage plus tips, barely covering rent. Her co-workers spent breaks scrolling, complaining about money. She used a timer instead. 15 minutes learning about stocks, 10 minutes studying business, 5 minutes tracking every dollar. They laughed, called her crazy, said servers stay servers. She kept going. Small sessions, no excuses. Knowledge compounded, skills improved. 3 years later, she bought the restaurant. Same building, different owner. Her former boss now worked for her. Most people won't sacrifice their phone time. Quiet builders always win. Comment, freedom if this is you.